Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Opuki, and if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share this channel to some students of yours. Alright, so let's get right into today's question. It's on, limit. Since I can see this, the question says evaluate x squared minus 2x minus 3 divide x minus 3. There are three methods of solving for limits. Okay, so the question says as x approaches 3, we should limit this. So the first method is direct substitution. So direct what? Substitution. So let's try direct substitution method. For direct substitution, you want to substitute what? X as 3 in this expression. So we are going to have 3 squared minus what? 2 multiplied by what? 3 minus 3 divide. We have 3 minus 3. So x has taken the place of what? 3 in this. I can see 3 squared is what? 9. We have 9 minus what? 2 times 3, 6. We have minus 3 divided by 0. Now, seeing that this is 0 alone shows us that there will be an issue, although 9 minus 6 is 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 over 0. Now, this is going to give us infinity or what? Error if we try to evaluate this using our calculator. So it means the direct substitution method is not applicable. Alright, so the next method we are going to use is what? Factorization. Now for factorization, you want to look out for what to factorize either at the numerator or the denominator. And what is factorizable in this case is this, okay? X squared minus 2x minus 3. So all we need to do is we are going to factorize x squared minus 2x minus 3. Now let's know our ABC. A here is 1, so our A is 1. Our B is minus 2, and our C is what? Minus 3. The next thing is you want to get the product of A times C. So our A times C is what? 1 times what? Minus what? 3. And that will give us what? 1 times minus 3 is 3 minus 3. Now that we know the product of AC, we want to get two numbers such that their sum is going to give us minus 2 and their product is going to give us what? Minus 3. Now we are going to use that, those two numbers to replace minus 2x. So what are those two numbers? Now if you look at the factors of 3, okay, we simply have what? 3 and 1. Okay. Now the next thing is we want to know what signs we are going to use. Okay. Now the signs we are going to use, I'm going to have my x squared. Now coming to this, I think if I try minus 3 and plus 1x, okay, this is going to work because minus 3x plus 1x is going to give us minus 2x. So I'm going to say minus what? 3x, okay, plus 1x, I can still write as plus x. Then we have minus what? 3. All right. Now you can see from what we've done that all these still represents what? Minus what? 2x. Okay. So from that point, we can now what? Factorize, the given quadratic expression. So let's factorize it. Let's factor out what is common here and what is common here. Now for this part, I can see that x is common. So I'm going to divide this by x and divide this by x. So I have x squared divided by x minus 3x divided by x. Now what about this part? What is common? I can see that we can say since here is plus, we can simply put plus 1, okay, and divide x by 1 and divide our minus what? 3 by 1. Alright, so that is how to factorize this. Now let's finish this up and see what this gives us. So x is going to cancel out 1 here, so we are left with x into So here we have x. We cancel out x here, we have minus 3. So we have plus 1 here, and we still have 1 divided, this is x, minus 1. 1 divided by 3 is still 3. Now if you look at this also, you can realize that this is what? Common. Okay? So you don't need to express it in this form. All you need to do is you bring out one of the brackets. Since this is common, you simply keep one of it down here. Then, what is outside, their brackets, you can simply put here. So x is going to come here and plus 1 is going to come here. So now that we have been able to, factorize the numerator, we are going to use all this and substitute up here. So let's do that and see what that gives us. So we are going to have, we have our x minus what? 3 multiplied by what? We have our x plus 1, okay? And the product of this is still this. So divide by what? We have our x minus what? 3. Okay, so from that I can see that from the numerator and the denominator, something can what? Cancel out. And what can cancel out is simply what? We have x minus 3. So if we cancel out x minus 3, at the numerator and denominator, we are left with what? We are left with x plus 1. Now, since we are left with this, we can now limit, okay, as x approaches what? 3. So what that means is, in this, we are going to substitute x as 3 here. So it's going to be 3 plus 1, which is equals to what? 4. So limiting this as x approaches 3, our answer is 4. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and share this video to somebody out there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.